Hello guys, I'm Arturo Rodriguez, and together with my team, Amairani and Kiarat Vidal, we're going to give a little explanation about how we solved the enigma of how many chocolates were in Mrs. Pineda Kisses box. So how we did this? Well, based in our mathematical knowledge, such as area and volume formulas, we came into the conclusion of how many chocolates there were in the box. The procedures and the answer will be shown up ahead by my classmate Amairani. The purpose of this project was for us, the students, to utilize concepts of geometry to calculate the number of chocolates that were inside of the box. In order to achieve it, we used the concepts of area, volume, and geometric figures to more or less give not a guess, but give an estimated answer of how many chocolates there were in the box. So my classmate Amairani is going to show how we did this, and I hope you enjoy your video.
Okay, so first of all we need to measure the box and we will obtain these quantities. We know that the formula is area of the base multiplied by height divided by 3. We need to apply these quantities in the formula and we will obtain 17 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 16.5 divided by 3, which equals 68 multiplied by 16.5 divided by 3, which at the time equals 1122 divided by 3, and with this we will get this result. 374 cubic centimeters, which is the approximate volume of the box. Well, so now we need to calculate the volume of each kiss. We're going to consider them as a cone. So how do we calculate the volume of a cone? Our answer is in the formula, which says that we need to multiply pi by the square radius by the height and divide this by 3. Well, so the radius of the kiss is 1 centimeter and its height is 2 centimeters. According to the formula, we should multiply the square radius by pi, which equals 3.14, and multiply this by 2 and then divided by 3. With this we get 6.28 divided by 3, and we get as a result 2.09 cubic centimeters, which is the approximate volume of one kiss. Finally, we get the approximate volume of the box, which is 374 cubic centimeters, and the approximate volume of one kiss, which is 2.09 cubic centimeters. We need to divide this by this, and we will obtain 179 kisses.
As a conclusion, we can say that the total number of pieces inside of the box is 179. We know this thanks to some volume formulas we already know, and also some kind of logic, because we have to take into consideration various obstacles, since, for example, the kisses have this little paper here and paper here that will take more space, and also they aren't like accomplish each other together. Also, We thought that logic was something we had to take into account, since all these measurements can be exact. We thought that some measurements we could take were exact, but if we had the exact measurement from here and here, we will clearly have a clear answer. Since then, we thought that more visual and creative way of explaining our keys logic will be simpler. Thanks for your attention.